Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Geometry A with your teacher. That's me. I am Mr. Heeren. Real quick, kind of the nuts and bolts. I'm in room 3310. Email, Twitter, website for the school, direct phone line to the classroom. So let's kind of get into it. Here's what I would really love you to bring. A 3-ring binder with some loose leaf paper, although you probably won't need that because I'll give you most of the notes and assignments that you need. But loose leaf paper is just good to have. A calculator, TI-83, TI-84, TI-CX, one of those. A pencil, and bring some headphones or earbuds. You will be using your iPad to watch some videos and take notes, so that is going to be there for you. Grading, 75% on assessments, 10% on your daily work, and 15% is going to be on the final, and grades will be updated all the time. I run a flipped classroom, which means you take notes at home or take notes outside of class, and then you in class you're working on assignments and you're working on things to kind of get your work done. So practice and exploration will be done in class with the teacher, basically, so I'm here to help you. Videos run from 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so kind of some little information about flipped learning. You can pause and read that at your own leisure. Okay. Kind of nuts and bolts. Self-directed learning time. After the first unit, if you are ahead of pace, you are allowed to go work elsewhere in the building. You are not locked into my classroom. But here's kind of the deal. You have to have finished the day, whatever today's task is. You have to have all your quizzes above 70%. And basically, you've got to demonstrate that I can trust you when you leave. Along with that, if you are struggling with something, you just want some direct instruction on a topic, depending on the day, I'll give you a daily seminar, which will be a mini lesson on the main topic noted in the calendar. So in the calendar, if it says, angle relationships, that's what I'm talking about that day. All right, assessments, quizzes, and tests. You need to keep taking every quiz and test until you get at least 70%. The student must correct mistakes. I'll give you something to correct the mistakes on. Staple the test and then do a retake. And then you can retake anything that you want. So if you get 71%, but you want something better, you can definitely do a retake. If you need to retake a quiz or a test, you are going to be put on academic support until that is completed. Only I will tell you if you are off academic support. I will give you a formula sheet if you need one. Graphing calculator you can use most of the time. If you're caught cheating, pretty simple, automatic 0, no screwing around, and you automatically have to take a retake. Assignments are worth 4 points apiece. They go in the homework category. You are responsible for every single assignment, and every single assignment being done completed to satisfactory quality. If you skip problems or you miss problems or you just write down random things, that's not doing it satisfactory. So you're responsible for collecting all missing work. If you need an additional copy, it will all be on Schoology. All right, projects. This is more for you to show me what you have learned. Okay, I will give you some examples. You'll do one project per unit. I'll give you some ideas of what you can think about, or you can create your own. Projects will be one day before the unit exam is due. Okay, so basically, before you take your unit exam, I need your project. All right, I'll tell you if any of them are with a partner, with a group, and they're worth 50 points in the assignment category. The calculators, like I said before, CX 8384. I've got some you can borrow. All right, I've got some you can borrow, but I don't have a full class set. You can borrow some, but they don't leave my room. So if you borrow one, it stays in the room. If you got to come borrow one later, it stays in the room. So if you need to borrow it, you stay in the room too. All right, so this is just a picture of 84. So will you be at a disadvantage if you don't have a graphing calculator? You'll see it a lot. You'll see it on the ACT. You'll want it on the MCA. So yeah, it'd be in your best interest. Look at Amazon. Look at Craigslist. Look at eBay. Be careful on Craigslist for obvious reasons. But they're out there for cheap. You don't have to drop 140 bucks on one of these things. You can get them way cheaper. What do you do if you're absent? Check the website. Check Schoology. Look around. Look for notes. If you need help, rewatch the video. Check the website for notes. Google this topic. look, kind of do some searching on your own to figure out what you can do before coming to me. All right, grading scale, take a look. Take a look really closely to the 92.99%, 89.99%, the 82.99%. Make sure that you realize that if you are on that border, I don't automatically round you up. All right, so if you are at an 89, not that one. If you are at an 89.72, I'm not going to automatically round you up a 90, okay? That's not the way this works. This is what the grading scale is. All right, so if you're on that border, that's what it is. If you need to contact me, do so right there. And then the expectation is student, print your name, student, sign your name, parent, sign your name. And please Dropbox that to me in Schoology. I would prefer that over having a paper copy. So watch this video, walk through it with your parents. You can have the parents watch the video if you wish. But let me know if there's any questions, and then please have both of you guys sign it. Thank you very much. I look forward to working with you this trimester.